to eat Subway, not take pictures of each other taking pictures.
Yeah.
Despite the Subway.
And we're in Subway now. People are posing. People are taking pictures of people.
And yet the Gundam Monks guy still hasn't got his food. I actually want to go over and give him a hug because he's been waiting for like ages, and like, oh, he's like,
use the ring, Frodo.
Strip.
Oh, there's kids there.
Yes. Lord of the Rings comments are fairly allowed.
It's a video.
La la, like your Subway. And it's everywhere. And everything's My hand!
My hand is gone. Oh.
My hand shed off and now I can actually use technology. Because everything is right-handed. Except for me. Hello, Carmen. How's it going? Just everybody in general. Nom 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 nom. Nom. I have yet to get video footage of me, so roar, if you can see me. Yes, there we go. Roar. I had to shave this morning. They're fixing eye patch. Done. Hair. Sexy. Arm. Hairy. There we go. I'm good. Good to go.
It's going on YouTube.
It is now.
Yes. It
flies everywhere.
Everyone needs to check out my other videos like Cucumber.